Hi guys, this is Ash MC2 back with another survival series, traps and snares. This time I'm going to make another Ojibwa bird pole. This is the version that you usually see in books. I'll go ahead and start making this one. I got to make sure this is really tight so it doesn't slip or roll on me. I'll go down far enough that should be adequate. That should do. Here you're going to have to tie a knot. This knot's got to be really tight and small so it's able to fit through the hole. But the knot's there for a purpose. It's to help hold up the perch. See, it goes right through. I'll just stick a perch in here right now. Second. I can figure out how long my noose needs to be. Okay, I've made it a little bit small. Go ahead and adjust this. You want to set that knot and perch so it's just a hair trigger. and I would have made the noose longer. But once again, this is just a nice, quick, simple way to catch a bird's leg.